Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will show you the only one makeup products I brought in my hand luggage. And this is my heat-proof makeup kit, perfect for travel, summer and days when it's almost over 30 degrees. Actually with the high humidity level. It's really fast, simple and gives me that fresh glowing skin without layering too much products. Let's go into it. First I'm going to use that Supergoop SPF stick. It gives me sun protection and that natural glow. I even can call it like glossy skin. No white, no thickness. You just need your fingertip and spread it well. That's it, we almost done. It takes us almost few seconds. That's it. Now let's apply foundation. On top of that I will apply my favorite foundation from Shiseido, and I grab it in the super small size. It's actually the tester one, it's not the full size product. Just apply above the SPF that product. That's a very natural looking foundation on the skin. Even if you apply too much, you won't end up with the cakey effect at all. It's water-based foundation and I like how it feels. It's almost nothing on your face. It's super lightweight and even out my tone beautifully, see? And wears so well throughout the day. It becomes one of my favorite one, and you know it because I have already shown you that foundation many times on my makeup tutorials in previous videos. So I apply it with just blending motions like that, and also I can recommend to use a big synthetic brush. It's time saver and it applies evenly. Don't forget to do circle motions nearby the pores area. I have a lot of pores and large pores around my nose here on the T-zone, and don't forget, just blend it well, just polish it to even out the surface here. And let's be closer to each other. I will show you, wait a sec. Here, see, it's so good now. See that coverage? Very lightweight. And it feels like nothing on your face. I have texture here, I have pores, I have even blemishes after my trip. It's okay, it's completely normal. I always have problem with my skin, I mean blemishes after airplane or the long trip like by bus or by car. It's completely okay. Just look at that skin and look at that glow. It looks good. I know that that type of blemishes just disappear in a few days, but I'm going to apply the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. It's my favorite one and it's the small one. I like how it looks on the skin, but first you have to moisturize it as much as possible, or just use SPF, nice SPF, it's a really good one. So that concealer will just keep everything in place, I mean especially areas with the pores. For extra coverage I use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, that one, but if everything is okay I can skip that step, it's up to you. So I just apply it where I need it, under the eyes, around my nose and on any redness. I think that I will add today here my jawline. Let's add here a little bit too. Okay, let's add a little bit more coverage on the center of my face, and I hope so you see everything nice with a great quality, because I try to do my best with the close-ups and it's a little bit complicated. I also can apply it like an eye base on the lids. I have no that extra time to do some nice makeup, you know, because my partner, he has strong rules about time and when I have to be prepared. That's why I learned how to do the makeup very fast, so you can trust me. So the next step is, okay, let's do what exactly I did in my trip. So of course it's that beautiful combo, the famous ones in the social media. Yes, it's Drunk Elephant and Milk Makeup. They are best friends. You have to try it. Let's start with the super cute and super small ones. It's blushes. It's honestly not only blushes. You can use it on the lips as well. But here's the tip. You apply it on the cheeks first, and when it mixed with the foundation, just swipe it a few times on the clean lips and then do the same with the other side. And see, I did it with the huge pressure like that, and you won't end up with the spot and bare skin because of the texture. You will see it immediately. Wait a sec. I grabbed the same brush with a leftover foundation and just dab it into the skin like that. That's it. What do you think about that foundation, and what do you think about that blushes? See? So good. I like it. That's why I took it with me, because I know that it's not a big problem for me when everything new, when the makeup station, I mean the restroom, and the light is awful. One product for both lips and cheeks, and you can build it up as much as you need. See, and let's do one more time here. Love the texture, and it's so moisturizing, so glowing, and that's why they are blending seamlessly to each other. I mean foundation and blushes. See, I used it every day. Easy to blend with just even fingers. I will show you here on the nose. And now time for bronzer. So I'm going to apply Drunk Elephant, and you also can mix with some foundation just to make it a little bit darker. I just apply the product on the back of my hand first. Just spread it a little bit on the brush. And now let's do the magic trick. I just tap it a little over foundation. It gives a realistic sun-kissed tone and make your face match your body. If you're tanning, of course, because I'm tanning too much. But my neck, it's totally white. That's why I have to apply a little bit on my neck. And also don't forget about your natural shadows on the temples, if you have it. Because I have that bone structure that I need to apply it here. But I know that some girls just try to apply here a little bit lighter concealer or foundation. So it's again up to you and depends on your face structure. Now let's blend it well. I'm not sure. Yeah, we have to blend it a little bit more, and I do nothing except tapping motions here. That's it. The most viral product, it's a powder, baked powder from Hourglass. I just use that type of motions without any special techniques. Just mix all the colors to be sure that your makeup is fixed enough, because outside it's really hot and you will start be wet immediately. I also use that light highlighter, and I'm going to apply it only on the highest point of my face. I mean the highest point of my cheekbones, maybe a little bit to the nose. And the next one is Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use that bronzer just to make sure that everything in place and my cheekbones defining enough. Eyeshadow, I'm going to use it like a lip contour or eyeshadows, of course. You should start with the lips because it's unfinished. I just apply it like that and then blend it a little with a fingertip. It shouldn't be so hard or so difficult. It should be fast, simple, and the makeup should enhance your features, not just hide or change completely. Wearable, you know, for real life. If I'm going to eat some bagels or pizza, it always looks nice. It's creamy, easy to blend, and once it sets, it stays all day, but I always blend it with a fingertip and fix with some bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury or Hourglass, doesn't matter. Just fix it, dry out with some powdery texture above. I just couldn't sleep in the plane, and I decided, okay, I need to hide it, and that eyeshadow pencil perfectly covered that redness on my waterline. And it looks so good. It's not black, it's not dark. For every day it's completely okay. Look at that. I just blend it with my fingers, and then let's apply it here. It's chaotic motions. You don't need any specific techniques for that. You just need to apply and blend. With the fingertip it's possible, you see? It's not stucky, it's not cakey. I apply it along the lash line and smudge it with the finger. If you did different type of makeup, it's too dark from that part, it's too light, swipe a few times with your fingers and a little bit remove extra product. Just apply a little bit on the brush and then tap it a few times like that. Just apply it above the creamy texture. It's necessary. If you skip that step, probably the eyeshadows will freeze in that fine lines here after maybe 10 minutes. Let's apply mascara. My lashes are naturally very light, and even on no makeup days I like a bit of definition, like especially for photos and memories. So this one gives me lift, separation, and zero smudging, which is the key in the heat. I love that wonk. Very comfortable to use, especially if you have a hooded lids as I do. So a few swipes, it's more than enough, but you can build it up as much as you need. Blinking a lot of times can help to dive into the wonk properly and grab more mascara on the lashes. That's it. Let's brush out the eyebrows and maybe a few strokes on the gaps, the most visible gaps, and again brush it out. Yeah, I think that's more than enough, maybe more. Or it's the most hardest part to stop with the application of makeup. Maybe stop like that. And let's do the same thing on the other side. By the way, that eyebrow pencil you may use not only for eyebrows, only for lip contour, and also for like eyeshadows, creamy eyeshadows. And that's it, my entire New York City makeup kit, all in one small makeup bag. It's not overpacking. You see, I need only a few products, and I showed you my full glam makeup for that trip. I went to New York City to do some photos, so to do some content, and of course that type of makeup, it's not like minimal makeup, it's minimal makeup kit. I know that that type of makeup will survive. So you can try some products or some tips, some techniques, and try to focus, not overdoing something, try to focus on enhancing your natural features. And let me know in the comments what's your top product you never travel without. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm so happy to coming back to you after the trip. I really miss to do some useful content for you. If you have any struggles with makeup, just let me know in the comments and I will help you. I love to be useful in social media. I would like to refresh my beautiful pink shade on the lips. You will find nice products in the description box because I shared only what I really use. Thank you so much. I hope you like that video and see you in next one. Bye!